Hello students, let's solve this question. A food packet is dropped from a plane moving horizontally with velocity 50 meter per second and at a height of 500 meter. So there is a plane moving horizontally which is having a velocity 50 meter per second and the height of plane is given to us and a food packet is dropped from it. Find the angle with the horizontal which the velocity vector makes at that time when it reaches the ground, and we need to neglect air resistance. So, it is given to us that as a plane is moving horizontally. So, if I assume that there is a plane like this which is moving horizontally, the velocity of motion is given to us as 50 meter per second and the height at which this plane is moving is also known to us is 500 meters. There is a food packet which is dropped from the plane. There is a food packet which is dropped from a plane. Now, as the food packet is just dropped from the plane, it should also be moving with the velocity of plane because it was moving with the plane. So, when it is just released from the plane, the velocity of plane and the velocity of food packet should be equal. And this food packet is going to move in a path which is taken by horizontal projectile. So, this should be the kind of path taken by this food packet. And we need to find the velocity vector's angle at the time when it reaches the ground. So, we need to find the velocities of this packet and angle of that velocity. Let assume this velocity is v. We need to find the angle of this velocity with horizontal. Let assume this angle to be theta. First, the velocity at this point can easily be determined because particle is covering motion in y direction to be in 500 meter. So, velocity is y component in y direction is initially 0 and finally is going to be root 2 gh. Finally is going to be root 2 gh. G is going to be 10 and h is given as 500 meter. So, we already know velocity is y component here. So, and velocity is x component, it should always be 50 meter per second because there is no horizontal acceleration. So, tan theta, if theta is the angle of velocity with the x axis, then tan theta should be velocity is y component by velocity is x component. Y component is going to be root 2 gh, h is 500 divided by velocity is x component which is 50. We can solve this to get the value of tan theta. It's going out to be 500's root, it will be 10 into 5 into 2, it will be 10, 10 into 10 roots will be 10. So, it is going out to be 100 by 50 or 2. So, theta is going to be tan inverse 2. Theta is going to be tan inverse 2. So, my correct answer should be tan inverse 2. But in option A, it is given with the minus sign because particle is moving downward. Its motion is with negative x direction. Its motion is in downward direction. That's why angle is given with negative sign. So, correct answer is A. Thank you.